Hello, myself Mrunmai Deshmukh from third year BH. In the next couple of minutes, I am going to talk about my current semester design, that is group housing assigned for senior citizen and guided by architect Bakir sir. Coming to the case study, I am selected the topic for case study is Axis Vanham, located in Bangalore in India. This is the mid-size housing projects with 20 living units stacked across 5 levels. It is designed as a stimulus to restore the balance in the building and green space. The balconies between the two every units is outward facing with openings planned to integrate ample lights and cross ventilation. The building is an attempt to function as an landscape that connects the residents with their green space. Another case study. We are doing live case study, that is Suyajit Garden near the Bapu Pool. The site is located in the near the Goda River and the Goda Park. So the site have visual connection of the Goda River and the large amount of landscape are designed in this site. And there are total 9 buildings and 126 units, that is 2 BHK units and 36 row houses. Day by day, the site impact of this area is increases. The site is located in Nashik on Pathardi Fata. The site area is 53,300 square meter and we have to use 20 square meter area including all the requirements and one access road on the south of the site. The sun path of the site is east to west via south and the wind direction is northwest to northeast. Coming to the site plan, site is considering 10% of open recreational spaces and amenities are minimum 5% of the plot and 20 number of 40 square meter units and 90 number of 55 and 80 square meter units. I have provided two entrances and exits for the better vehicular movement. There are 2 BHK means 80 square meter units building and 1 BHK means 55 square meter units building and also the 1 BHK for 40 square meter units building. The buildings are mostly placed at the side of the site for the preparing the landscape on the site. On the more open spaces are created and that is helpful for this type of peoples. Coming to the ground floor plan. On the ground floor, there are two entrances for proper circulation movement after entering the site. I am providing roads which all circulates on the site and the roads are connected to the every building of the site and it places in four side of the boundaries and the whole site is connected with pathways so there is less number of vehicle entering the internal part. There are visitors parking. Next, I am focusing the most of the central part of the site is full of landscape and that helps to the peoples. Then the amenities are placed after the parking and that is connected to the building through the pathways considering gazebos and that all buildings are also connected to the landscape so the more green space are created to the every block. On the central part of the site, I am providing gazebos and can make visual connection to the site and there are two water bodies which is also connected to the pathways and green space. On the north side of site I am providing swimming pool so the people can have privacy. Coming to the amenities like multipurpose hall, healthcare center and rest rooms. Those amenities are placed around the green space so they can also access the green space, and next to the amenities there is parking for the amenities and visitors, so the visitors also easily access the amenities and the building. Coming to first floor, on the west side having 2 BHK flats, that is 80 square meter unit. Next to that 1 BHK flats, that is 55 square meter, are placed, and I am providing green space on the middle of the two buildings. On the east side I am providing 1 BHK flats, that is 55 square meter and 40 square meter units, and also wellness center. On the south side of the site, I am providing guest room, healthcare center, and one multipurpose hall. And the guest room having 20 number of capacity. The multipurpose hall accommodate 350 number of peoples. Coming to the basement plan, the basement is for parking. On the entrance of the site, there is first ramp that leads to the basement parking, and the north side of there is a second ramp leads to the basement parking. After entering the basements, there are two ramps leads on the ground floor and the open in the roadside of the site. And there is two water tanks for the site. Coming to the cluster plan. This is the detailed plan of 1 BHK, that is 40 square meter carpet area, and I am providing two lifts and one staircase, and the placing of the balconies are alternate, that is shown in the elevation. So the first floor plan and second floor plan is quite different. The balconies is are alternated, so first floor people can connect with the second floor, so the visual connection and the communication is happen. This is detailed plan of 50 square meter carpet area, which is consist 1 BHK. Here is also two lifts and one staircase, and also a alternate balcony, so the people have visual connection and communication happens, and this is shown in the elevation. This is detailed plan of 80 square meter carpet area, which consists 2 BHK. Here is also two lifts and one staircase, and also alternate balcony. So the communication of people and visual connection is happen in easy way. Coming to the side section, the first section is cut from section AA dash, and second section is BB dash. The section is cut from the 80 square meter carpet area, 55 square meter carpet area. Section there are the elevations. In this elevation we can see how the communication is happen and the visual connection is happen. Here is the another section, and this first section is cut from CC dash and the second section is cut from DD dash, and these two sections are cut from 40 square meter carpet area and 55 square meter carpet area. There are some 3D views of the site. Thank you.